Jonas, you know what? We want to do barbecue, but since it takes forever to do a setup of barbecue grill outside, we decided to do a barbecue indoors. Good thing I have a TEFAL Easy Grill. Not only is it odorless, it is smokeless. It's perfect for an indoor barbecue.
So today we're gonna make chicken satay. And first, we gotta do marinade, right? Let's start with oil. In this case, I'm gonna use olive oil because I want to be healthy-ish. A little pepper. Now, Thais use lime, but we have calamansi. It's a beautiful sweet lime, right? Fish sauce, or patis. Coconut milk. Shake it a little bit. Cumin seed, ground in this case. And the secret ingredient, sriracha, because I like it spicy. Just whisk that up a little bit. Tastes perfect. Needs one more thing though. Cilantro. And don't forget, the stems and the roots have the flavor, and the leaves pretty much use as garnish. Now, for practicality's sake, I'm going to use a resealable bag, put all my marinade in there, and put all my chicken there. Now, these are chicken breasts that I cut into thin strips. You can also use thigh or leg. It's just, these ones are leaner, and they pick up the flavor real nice. This way I can massage it. Leave it in the fridge for an hour, up to maybe 4 or 5 hours. Right. It's been chilling for a couple of hours in the fridge. Should be flavorful and ready. Now, I'm gonna preheat my grill. And the best thing about this grill is this TEFAL Easy Grill. It takes a few seconds to set it up. So I'm gonna take my chicken and I'm gonna skewer it in some barbecue sticks. Now, these sticks I've soaked in water for an hour just so that they don't burn up on the grill. Just did a few. Grill's hot. Now, the important thing is they don't have to be exactly perfect, but try to make them equally thick so that they cook at the same time, right? Grill's nice and hot. How do I know? I hold it about 5 inches. And if I can't hold it more than 5 seconds over there, that's hot enough. I'll just brush the grill with a little oil just to help it not stick. And the water underneath helps catch the excess oil so that it doesn't burn and flame up the chicken. Now, while that's going, I'm gonna make our satay sauce. Pretty much the same ingredients: coconut milk, or gata, lime juice or calamansi, not too much because that might curdle the whole thing, some fish sauce, patis, and peanut butter. Now, I try to use smooth as much as possible, but if you like chunky, some people like it chunky, right? Pepper, and for the extra kick, some sriracha. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. Now, you can also cook it a little bit for a creamier finish, but I'm feeling extra lazy today. Now, let's check out our chicken. Oh, these are looking nice. And can you see smoke? Because I don't. Can you smell smoke? Because I don't. I love it. An indoor barbecue. This way, I can have barbecue every single night. So, check this out. Now, how do I know it's done? You feel it? If it's firm and bouncy, it's done. Beautiful chicken satay skewers. So guys, for more cooking tips, more recipes, and more me, check out our social media and our hashtags Experience TEFAL and live healthy, stay happy. Jonas out.